Yoga for everybody with Meditation Mother.
Goyette, your meditation mother, coming to you live from Krakow, Poland. This is such a beautiful city. It's one of my favorites that we've seen along this trip. And I cannot imagine just 75 years ago that this place was war-torn. World War II, the Holocaust, this was one of the epicenters of all the devastation that happened during that war. With Auschwitz so close by, there's a lot of that energy that you can still feel today of people remembering all the devastation. And what it reminds me is that division is destruction. Division is destruction. The sacred truth is that we are all one. We are all one energy. There's one energy that fills your body, and then we are just part of the big mix of energy in the universe. And so what I thought today is that we would do a practice that allows you to feel that we are just energy mixed in this big swirl all together. We are all one. So let's start with hands to heart center. We'll close the eyes, gently bow the head, chins tucked in just slightly. Start to tune into the breath, entering and leaving the nose. And just noticing your body here on the mat. And one last inhale and exhale. Let's open the eyes. Bring your hands to your shoulders. We're going to work on a Kundalini breath to start, which really helps to move your energetic body. So we'll inhale, moving to the left, and then exhale, moving to the right. So we'll start off slow. Inhale, exhale, just warming up the spine a little bit. Really connecting the breath with the movement. Inhaling left, exhale right. Inhale, exhale. Start speeding it up a little bit. Exhale. Do it to the rhythm of your own breath. Everyone might be a little bit different. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Good. Inhale through the nose, exhale through the mouth. Good. Big breath. Close the eyes, gazing up at the third eye. Good. Drawing all your energy up. Inhale, exhale. Few more breaths like this. Inhale, exhale. Keep it going. Speed it up. Inhale, exhale. Big breath. You've got this. Last minute. Good. Speed it up a little. Inhale, exhale. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1. Start slowing it down. Resume your normal breath. Allow your arms to flow just a little bit. Stop here. Take a deep inhale. Hold, hold, hold. Exhale big. Good. Close the eyes, hands to heart center, and just feel. Notice any sensations in the body, energy, tingling, heat. Good. Gently open the eyes. Again, we are all just energetic bodies flowing within nature, flowing around each other. We are all one. Let's inhale, arms sweep up. Soft gaze up towards this beautiful sky. Exhale, fold, soften the knees, relax the back of the head. Bend the knees as much as you need to. Step the feet out wide if you need more space. Good, shake your head out, yes and no. If you're not touching the ground, use a block underneath your hands or a blanket. Again, grab opposite elbows, start to shift the weight, just warming up the body. Good. Release the hands, ground down into the earth, connect with the earth, sweep the hands all the way up. Soft gaze up towards the sky. If your hands don't make it together, nice and wide, and then exhale, hands to heart center. Let's do it again. Inhale, arms sweep up. Exhale, soften the knees, relax the back of the neck. Good, push into the feet, inhale, all the way up. Exhale, hands to heart center. This time we'll stay here. Inhale, arms sweep up, grab onto the right wrist, palm faces out front, and then bend the elbows, soften the knees. Good, inhale, grow tall from the hips all the way to the armpit. Exhale, over to the left, open up the side body. Good, look underneath the armpit. Take a deep breath from the right hip all the way up through the right fingertips, expand. Exhale, come back to center. Good, inhale, arms sweep up. Grab onto the left wrist this time, soften the knees. Inhale from the hips all the way up. Exhale, over to the side. Good, take a deep breath. Inhale here. And exhale, back to center. Nice, inhale, arms sweep all the way up. Exhale, fold, take it down. Good, connect with the earth in some way. So separate the feet if you need to, bend the knees. Good, really feel the connection of the feet with the earth. From here, ground down, curl up one vertebrae at a time. All the way up to standing. Roll the shoulders back. Nice, we're gonna work a little bit on balancing. So let's stay here. Inhale, arms sweep up. Grab onto that right wrist, soften the knees. Reach over to the left. Good, really enhance that side body opening from the hip all the way through the fingertips. Shift your weight over to the left foot. Bring your right heel up. So you can stay here if you want. Good, or you can start to really connect with the earth with the standing foot. Flex your right foot off the earth. Good, stay here. Draw your belly in just a little, maybe round in just a little. Good, engage the core. So when we step out of this, we're gonna slowly step out and then notice any energetic forces within. Open up and close the eyes for just a moment. Notice any shifts in energy, tingling, movement. Just your energetic body waking up. Let's try it on the other side. Inhale, arms sweep up. Good, grab onto your left wrist this time. Soften the knees, reach over to the right. Side body stretch. Shift your weight over to that left foot. Lift the right heel up. You can stay here if you want. Or if you'd like to engage, flex that left foot up off the earth. You got it. Draw your belly, woo! I'm on uneven ground, sorry about that. Draw your belly in and up. Good. Stay here, really contain the energy. Contain, contain, and then open up, close the eyes, notice any shifts in energy. Good, you got it. Inhale, arms sweep up. Grab onto the right wrist this time, reach over to the left. Good. This time, shift your weight over to the right foot. Lift the left heel up. Draw your belly in just a little bit, and then lift the foot if you'd like. Good. Really engaging the side body. Good. Keep that energy contained. It's a circle of flow. Open up nice and wide, and close the eyes. Notice any shifts. Good. Let's take our weight over to up. Let's stay here. Inhale, arms sweep up. This time grab onto the left wrist, reach over to the opposite side, and then shift your weight over to the left. Lift your right heel up. Good, you got it. And then if you want, flex that foot, draw your belly in. Awesome. Take a deep breath here. And then slowly open up out to the side, close the eyes, notice any shifts in energy. Great. Inhale, arms sweep up. Exhale, fold. Take it all the way down. Relax the back of the neck. Good. I'm going to turn sideways. Bend the knees generously. Sit back in your heels. Bring your hands to your thighs. Keep your legs exactly where they are. Push into the thighs and lift the chest. Good. So we're in a chair pose right now. You can do any arms you want. I want you to sit back more towards your heels. If you'd like, you can bring your thumbs out wide. Barrel arms if it feels good. But make sure you notice your low back. Draw your belly in just a little bit to give support to the low back. Any form. We're going to be here for several breaths. This is a big energy mover. So take a deep breath in through the nose, out through the mouth. Sink. One more time. In, out, push up, and exhale to heart center. Close the eyes. Notice any shifts in heat, movement, heartbeat. Good. Let's try that again. Inhale, arms sweep up. I'm going to turn sideways. Exhale to fold. Relax the back of the neck. Sit back in your heels. Bring your hands to your thighs. Push up into the thighs. Good. Sit back in your heels and more. Arms up overhead if you'd like, or out to the side. Cactus arms. Wherever you want to be today, just notice your belly. Draw it in just a little. Keep a natural curve, but you want to feel supported. Good, we'll stay here for a few breaths. Sit in the heels. Inhale through the nose. Outhale. Good, inhale. Exhale. Push into the feet. Sweep the hands all the way up. Exhale, hands to heart center. Gently close the eyes. Tune into the body. Notice all your organs, your muscles, connective tissue, bones, all working together in one universe to make up you. And we are just one drop in the soup of energy that creates this universe. We are all one. Gently close the eyes. Let's take it down towards the earth. Hello, friend. Extend the legs and we'll come all the way down onto the back. Curl down nice and slow. Relax the head onto the earth. Arms are along your side. Good. Push the feet into the earth. Let's bring the heels a little bit closer to the glutes. Arms along the side. Palms face down this time. Good. Press into the back of the arms. Start to lift the chest. Push into the feet, and then we'll lift the hips up off the mat. Push down and forward with the feet. Lift the hips. Chest comes towards the chin. Notice your thighs. See if you can draw them towards each other. Good. An inward spiral. Nice. Inhale. Arms overhead. Reach. Fingertips move in opposite direction of the knees. Move the knees away from you. Slowly lower down and then relax the arms all the way down to the earth. Let's try that one more time. Press into the arms. Chest starts to lift. Good. Push into the feet. Lift the hips up off the earth. Lift your low belly towards your chest. Inhale. Arms sweep up overhead. Feel like someone's pulling on your fingertips as you move the knees away from you. Traction up the spine. Slowly lower all the way down. Relax the arms down. Good. Hug the knees into the chest. Tuck the chin up towards the knees. Good. Really engage. Keep all the contents of your energy in this one ball. And then open up, release, everything releases out. Separate the feet, separate the arms. Good, everything's away from the core of the body. Noticing any heat leaving the body, what direction it's moving. Allow your breath to leave, softening you more towards the earth. Feeling the connection of the earth below you, the sky above you. the breeze on your skin. And just allow your breath to flow like the breeze flows through the world, bringing us all together, one energy. We are one. Good. Start to move the fingers and the toes, the ankles and the wrists. And we'll hug the knees into the chest. Slowly roll over to one side. Make your way all the way up to seated. I love that sound of the birds. We'll finish with a little bit of breath work. Again, just moving energy. So we'll do a nice long inhale all the way through the top of the crown of the head, as far as you can go. Pause at the top for a minute, and then exhale big out the mouth all the way to the bottom. So inhaling through the nose to the top, exhaling out the mouth. We can bring our hands on our laps, relax the hands, whatever feels good for you. Relax the shoulders, close the eyes, tuck your chin just slightly. Inhale all the way to the top. Big exhale out the mouth. Good, inhale. Hold, exhale. On your own, inhaling and exhaling. One more. And resume your normal breath, just noticing your body, your physical and energetic body. Let's bring the hands to heart center. Bow the mind to the heart. And just notice, instead of all our differences, how we are united. We are more united than we are different. Namaste. Thank you so much for joining me here today in Poland. If you like this video and you'd like to see more and be the first to receive weekly videos, please subscribe to my YouTube station at Yoga with Meditation Mutha. See you next time.